I think that after this pandemic when this pandemic is over, I think that what cities, architecture, urbanism should do is something very easy because it's already there. It's simply unfolding and developing the agendas that we already put on the table before the pandemic started. We simply need to do and to act on what we have already thought of. I would add to that maybe what we have learned after this pandemic is that we need the public. Public meaning that we need the public interest to prevail over the private interests. I think we need more science, and I think that in the context of this conference in Rome, we need more Europe. Thank you.